Guys, another pack opening. FIFA celebrating their 6th year of Ultimate Team, so we get free packs. Everyone gets a free pack. So I hope someone good and absolutely no one. I can't even sell them. We have been 50k packs. Shoot 3 of them, so maybe. And David Luiz. Does he search for something? No. Maybe. Matic. Last pack of 50k's and no one good. By the way, I'm collecting all the Premier League players, so that's why I would like I said to see. I might open some normal packs, maybe few of them. I'll be probably doing a video every day because they come out, every new pack comes out after 6 o'clock, so I'll be there doing a video, so it should be up at least once a day. Come on. Alright, last pack, and then we'll finish up like that. And no one good. Oh, Nasri here again. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, tell your friends about me. More subscribers, more videos obviously coming, new videos, so please help me. Thank you.